Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can deposit money from your crypto.com wallet onto a bank account, right? So, first thing you have to do is that you have to set up a bank flat account on the bottom on the notification bar. And then from there, you'll have to click on the flat wallet option, which will look like this, right? And then after that, once you click the flat wallet option, you will be then asked to be select a currency, and then you have to select which currency you would like to withdraw funds in, right? So, for example, we want to withdraw something into British pound, right? For example, and then after that, we'll just have to select the setup option that appears on your mobile device screen. So just click on that check button to understand the GPT fiat wallet terms and condition, right? And then after that, you'll just have to activate your wallet. Just click on get started like that. After that, you'll just have to click on withdraw and then click on fiat, right? And then you must click the sell crypto option and then select the cryptocurrency that you intend on converting into fiat and directly depositing into your bank account, right? So it look like this, deposit via bank transfer, right? And then you'll just have to select the cash option and then proceed to enter the amount of money you would like to convert. And then your screen will tell you the actual amount you're getting for the crypto going on. If you're happy with that, you may proceed and the USD withdrawal request will be processed. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.